At ELGi, capacity transformation is not just about numbers, it's about smarter processes and empowered people. On the HV Topblock Assembly Line, the challenge was clear. How do we significantly increase output without compromising quality? Our solution combined automation with ergonomics. The impact? Capacity improved by 107%, setting a new benchmark for efficiency on the shop floor. The HV Topblock Assembly Line transformation is a testament to our philosophy. Innovation is not only about machines, but about transforming the way we work. At ELGi, innovation drives us forward through smart automation and advanced technologies.